Well, do you think I would actually get out of here without driving a Mercedes? Man, I always liked these C250 coupes. I've always thought they were a good looking C-Class. This is a 13 with 94,000 miles. Man, this is a good looking car. Let's check this one out. Oh, yeah, the inside, well, you know, it's heavy on the marijuana. God dang. Wow. Yeah, heavy on the marijuana. Oh, and that seat. Oh, and the wiper blades are trash. And there's a zillion warning lights for all the lights that are out. No check engine light, though.
Around the city. So we'll tell you about that with our community star.
Oh my God, the marijuana smell in here is awful. Dude, somebody was flat smoking it up, man. Hell yeah. Smoking it up. I gotta roll down the window so I can breathe. Ooh, it's got, look at this, fancy. Pano roof, heated seats, but no nav or backup camera. These Germans, man, them and their equipment, they're so weird with their damn equipment. Well, it sounds like the turbo's in the front seat with me. I'll go ahead and say that. Lots of wear on the buttons and switches, so it's not a pristine unit. Oh yeah, we got the chrome chipping off the steering wheel. Yeah, I don't like how it sounds like the engine is in the floorboard down there. Y'all hear that? So many lights are out. Parking light, brake light, tail lights. What's not out is the marijuana lighter. That mother is working. Whoa, it want the fishtail on me. Well, you know what? She's got good power. Even though the motors, I just don't like the sound of that engine. It sounds terrible. Man, are those some sorry wiper blades or what? Yeah, this thing was getting squirrely on me. It's got good acceleration. Little driveline vibration I noticed there. Yeah, I'm not digging this car too much. I mean, it drives okay. And maybe if it was dirt ass cheap, I'm not even gonna pull over and do a walk around on this one. I mean, it sounds like such a jalopy. But you know, it seems strong. Why does it sound like the motor's being piped through the speaker? Perplexing. Ow, and I hit my head on the fucking roof. Yeah, I've always liked these cars, but now that I've driven one, I do not like these cars. No, I would try a sedan if it were a four-door with no sport package, maybe just like a luxury package or something. But yeah, this thing sucks. Ugh, do not like. Tell me what y'all think. You know, I know a lot of my subscribers don't like a Mercedes anyway. Well, I'll tell you one thing. I don't like this one. Shoo. Man, forget that. Get me out of this thing. Woo. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.